Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. When you're building a high-end responsive website, you need to know exactly how it looks on different monitors. Today, we're going to learn how to adjust your workspace to fit your design needs. Let's get started. At the top of the editor, you'll see a number showing the current width of your canvas in pixels. This is your editing size. It tells the editor how much space you want to work with right now. You can click directly on that pixel number, and here you can type in a specific size. For example, if you want to see how your site looks on a standard laptop, you can type in 1280, or if you want to see it on a larger desktop monitor, try 1920 and click apply. On the canvas will instantly adjust. By the way, on the left-hand side, you will see your handle. You can click and drag this handle to manually resize your workspace. This is a fantastic way to watch your grid and elements move and scale in real time as the screen gets either smaller or bigger. Setting your editing size helps you design for the big picture. It allows you to catch any layout issues early on, ensuring that your text and images look perfectly balanced whether your visitor is on a small laptop or a massive screen. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.